Well, good evening, Simon Scholars. I was thinking about you while I was getting ready to make some food, and I wanted to get this video out to you real fast before I start. The screen is real fuzzy. That's better. Okay, so listen, I'm not going to see you guys again until April 14th. Do you think that means you shouldn't do any work between now and April 14th? I don't think so. Seriously. I don't think so. Okay? By now, you should have finished. You should have finished that first practice test I gave you. You better have finished it, okay? Email me back just saying, yes, I finished. All I want to hear is, yes, I finished. Okay, now assuming that you finished that, assuming that you finished the math, the critical reading, and the writing of that, what I want you to do is I want you to take the answer sheet that I also sent you. I'll resend it in case you didn't get it. But I want you to take the answer sheet and I want you to go through that test. And I want you to look at the way that the answers are explained to you, because this is the detailed explanation. I want you to go and look at the way the answers are explained to you. And I want you to think about 3 different ways you can check your work. The first way is, yes, I got it right. The second way is, I got it wrong, but I know why I got it wrong. Okay? And the third way is, I got it wrong and I have no idea what I'm doing. Our goal is, on the ones where you have no idea what you're doing, you want to move those to, sometimes I'll get that wrong because I just made a mistake. And you want to move all the, sometimes I get it wrong because I made a mistake. You want to move all those to the, I got it right. You want to shift everything up one category. And the goal is to know how to do everything, but know that sometimes you'll make silly mistakes and stop making the silly mistakes. So, check back over the test, okay? You should be done with that now. I'm attaching another test. I'm not going to see you till April 14th. So you have to have another test to put in some work. Unfortunately, this is like a part-time job while you're getting yourselves together. I know that between now and May 4th, you actually have, I think you have a test on April 17th, some weird intermittent SAT test at your school. But that being said, we have to keep continuing our prep process. So check back over the test that you just did with the answer sheet, which I will reattach. And also, congrats, I gave you another test with the answers, which you will check in the same manner after you're done. And I'm going to check up on you to make sure you did it. Now, in terms of if you just need more help, you know, there's so much stuff on Bench Prep, I can't even begin to direct you to tell you exactly what you need to do on Bench Prep to figure out where your strengths and weaknesses are. But you can use the answer sheet or the attached explanation sheet to figure out, hey, I noticed that I'm getting a lot of ratio problems wrong. That's interesting. I want you even to consider the fact that there are trends in answers that we get wrong and figure out where your trends are. So maybe you get a lot of certain type of math problems wrong and figure out what those trends are and study that one specifically. Or maybe you look at the reading comprehension and you're like, well, you know what? I'm pretty good with long passages, but when we do paired passages, that's when I start to mess things up. Figure out where your trends are, then go on the Bench Prep and find the specific solutions to your problem by prepping for a specific area. By doing that, you'll get better at everything, but you'll also focus on your specific areas. So, email me back to let me know that A, you finished your first practice test, B, that you're receiving this email and you're alive, and C, let me know what your thoughts are moving forward, and let me know how you're feeling emotionally, if you're confident, if you're still nervous about it, if you're feeling anxiety, let me know. Call me. My number is still on the freaking bottom of the email, 813-528-1927. Text me back. Let me know you got this, and tell me that you finished your first practice test. Thank you. Having a great night, guys. Oh, by the way, if you want to know what I'm making, it's not very interesting. I'm making an omelet. Do you like omelets? Right? All right. Talk later, guys. Peace out.